welcome to HW News. As you can see here, right now we are standing at Azad Maidan, and you can see right behind me there is a group of farmers, and apparently there are so many farmers who have come all the way from Nashik, and they have come here to Mumbai to protest the 3 farm laws that have been passed by the central government. As you already know, for more than 50 days there are farmers from Punjab, Haryana and UP protesting at Delhi borders in Singhu, Tikri and Ghazipur, and to support those farmers, now these farmers from Maharashtra, 21 different districts of Maharashtra have come here at Azad Maidan all the way from Nashik. 180 kilometers of distance they have covered, and they have come here to protest the 3 farm laws and show support to their colleagues, to show support to their fraternity who is protesting at the Delhi borders. So let's just go to them and talk to them what they think about the farm laws, what they think about the Delhi protest that is going on, the tractor rally that is going to take place tomorrow, and what exactly is their plan since the tractor march is going to be happening on 26th of January, that is on Republic Day. So let's go to them and talk to them one by one. We will talk to them and understand their point of view as well. Most of them are from the rural India, so rural Maharashtra, so I will be talking to them in Marathi. So I'll also be translating it to you, what exactly are they saying. But as I said, they are from rural Maharashtra, so I'll be conversing them in Marathi. दादा तुमचं नाव काय?
श्यामसिंग पाडवी.
दादा तुम्ही कुठून आलात आणि किती डिस्टन्स तुम्ही कव्हर करून आले?
नंदुरबार डिस्ट्रिक्ट से हम आए हैं और तलौदा तहसील में से हम आए हैं। तो हमने ये जो केंद्र सरकार ने जो काला कानून बनाए हैं, ये जल्दी ही वापस लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी 2 महीने हो चुके हैं और सारा देश का किसान है इस कानून से नाराज है, क्योंकि ये कानून अगर अमल बजाय हो जाएगा तो देश को किसान ये बर्बाद हो जाएगा। क्योंकि ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ने जब यहाँ कंपनी का काम शुरू किया था तो यहाँ का जो किसान मजदूर ये बर्बाद हो गया था। अभी हमें लगता है कि ये जो सारा कानून है ये बिल्डर के हित में है, ये कंपनी के हित में है, इसलिए ये काला कानून वापस लेना चाहिए, नहीं तो ये किसान मजदूर यहाँ का बर्बाद हो जाएगा। क्योंकि किसानों का जो फसल है इन्हें भाव नहीं मिलेगा। केंद्र सरकार बोलती थी चुनाव के पहले कि हम किसानों के लिए स्वामीनाथन आयोग लागू करेंगे, लेकिन स्वामीनाथन आयोग तो लागू नहीं किया और ये काला कानून लेके आया है केंद्र सरकार ने, ये जल्दी वापस लेना चाहिए। ये मांग जब तक ये वापस नहीं लेता काला कानून तो तब तक हम यहाँ बम्बई में आए हैं और राजभवन में अभी जाएंगे, मोर्चा लेके जाएंगे। और ये यहाँ का जो सरकार राज्यपाल साहब हैं और मुख्यमंत्री हैं, ये केंद्र से अपील करना चाहिए कि ये काला कानून वापस लेना चाहिए, और महाराष्ट्र स्टेट गवर्नमेंट भी ये ऐसा ठहराव करना चाहिए और केंद्र को देना चाहिए कि ये काला कानून वापस लेना चाहिए। नहीं तो हम किसान सारे मजदूर कामगारों को अपील करते हैं कि सारा ये अब देश का मुद्दा हो चुका है, सारे देश का आम आदमी का मुद्दा हो चुका है और ये काला कानून वापस लेना चाहिए। और ये जब तक वापस नहीं लेता तब तक हम संघर्ष जारी रखेंगे।
4 महीने से ज़्यादा हो गए हैं ये प्रोटेस्ट जो है दिल्ली पे चल रहा है, वहाँ पे बॉर्डर्स पे ये प्रोटेस्ट जो है वो चल रहा है। लेकिन गवर्नमेंट का कहना है, मोदी गवर्नमेंट का ये कहना है कि सिर्फ पंजाब के या हरियाणा के कुछ फार्मर्स जो है, कुछ किसान जो है वो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, बाकी देश में तो प्रोटेस्ट नहीं हो रहा। उनको आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ये केंद्र सरकार गलत बोल रही है कि देश का जो किसान मजदूर है, मजदूर खेती में काम करता है, कामगार कंपनी में काम करता है और किसान खेती में काम करता है। और उनके ये जो पढ़े लिखे कम रहते हैं और इनके पास ये काम में जाते हैं, जो पार्सल माध्यम है इसका बात ज़रा समझते नहीं है और ये झूठ बोलता है, क्योंकि इनका झूठ बोलना पहले से काम है, इसलिए ये लोगों तक पहुंचने नहीं देता। क्योंकि ये लोगों तक पहुंच जाएगा तो सारा देश का किसान कामगार मजदूर एक हो जाएगा, एकता हो जाएगा, इसलिए ये गलत बताता है। और सच में तो अभी तक सब लोग समझ चुके हैं।
अभी देखिए 11 राउंड हो चुके हैं, सरकार और जो किसान है उनके जो लीडर्स है उनके बीच में बातचीत जारी है, लेकिन उसका कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं निकला है। आपको क्या लगता है कि आगे जाके सोल्यूशन निकलेगा, और अगर सोल्यूशन नहीं निकला तो कितने दिन तक ये प्रोटेस्ट जारी रहेगा?
जब तक केंद्र सरकार ये काले कानून वापस नहीं लेता तब तक हम भी रुके रहेंगे, संघर्ष करते रहेंगे।
5 जून 2020 रोजी जो हा काळा कायदा आला त्याच्या 1 वर्ष अगोदर अदानीनं हरियाणामध्ये पानिपत येथे नोलथा नावाच्या गावामध्ये 1000 एकराचं गोडाऊन बनवलं. आज 9000 एकराचं गोडाऊन तिथं बनलेले आहेत. तिथं त्यांनी ब्रॉडगेज लाईन टाकलेली आहे. आणि जर या मोठ्या व्यापाऱ्याच्या ताब्यात जर हा धान्य साठा गेला, त्याला जर खुली छूट दिली तर तो नफ्यातून नफेखोरी करेल. पर्यायानं आम्हाला आज रेशनमध्ये जे काही मिळते ते पूर्ण रेशन व्यवस्था कोलॅप्स होईल आणि या देशामध्ये 90 कोटीपेक्षा जास्त लोक भूकभरीनं मरतील ही एवढी भीती इथं आहे. आणि ज्यांच्याकडे भांडवल असेल तोच ते खरेदी करेल. पण आपल्या देशामध्ये जे जमिनीचा प्रकार आहे भौगोलिक स्थितीनुसार तो सर्वच जमिनीमध्ये सारखं पिकत नाही. पंजाबमध्ये गहू पिकतो म्हणून आपल्या केरळामध्ये तो मिळतो, बंगालमध्ये भात मिळतो म्हणून तो आम्हाला मिळतो, आज केरळमध्ये नारळ मिळते म्हणून आज महाराष्ट्रामध्ये नारळ येते. तर याच्यावर जर त्यांनी मक्तेदारी कायम केली, याला जे मोदी सरकार सांगतायत लोण्याचं तुपाचं त्या दोराला चोपडून सांगतायत की हे कायदे किती चांगले आहेत, पण हे सर्व शेतकरी विरोधी काळे कायदे आहेत. कारण या कायद्यानं या देशामध्ये कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर हावी होणार आहे. पण मी तुम्हाला सांगतो या देशाचा हा जो शेतकरी मायबाप आहे हा ऊन वारा पाऊस थंडीमध्ये शेतीमध्ये कसतोय. आज आपण पाहता की दिल्लीमध्ये जवळपास 10 लाखाच्या संख्येनं लोक एवढ्या थंडीमध्ये पाठीचा हाळ मोडणारी थंडी आहे तरी तो तिथं टिकून आहे. आणि तिथं तो 120 लोक तिथं आज हुतात्म्य प्राप्त झालेला आहे. त्या लोकांना समर्थन देण्यासाठी तो कायदा मागे झाला पाहिजे, तो रद्द झाला पाहिजे. याच्यासाठी महाराष्ट्रामध्ये विदर्भ, मराठवाडा, कोकण, पश्चिम महाराष्ट्र, उत्तर महाराष्ट्र पूर्ण महाराष्ट्रातली जनता आज या ठिकाणी आलेली आहे आणि ही जनता या काळ्या कायद्याच्या विरोधात लढणार आहे.
Thousands of farmers have reached Azad Maidan all the way from Nasik, and today they are camping here and they will move from here to Raj Bhavan where they will try and meet the governor of Maharashtra, Bhagat Singh Koshari. All of these farmers have arrived here to support the farmers who are protesting at Delhi borders for more than 50 days. They have been protesting in Punjab for more than 4 months now, but the government and the talks between the farmers leader and the government have failed so far. The farmers have arrived here. Let us also understand what exactly is the point of view of the farmers in Maharashtra, because the government has been constantly saying that only farmers from Punjab and Haryana are protesting at Delhi borders. We have with us Mr. Prakash Reddy. Sir, first of all, as I said, the government has been saying only the farmers from Punjab and Haryana are protesting. Today we are seeing here thousands of farmers from different corners of Maharashtra have arrived here. What do you want to say about that?
The government is, it's a false propaganda. We say that is a Godi media and all that. See, we have gone to Shahjahanpur border, passing through Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and all that, and touring Maharashtra. We saw there that not only farmers from Punjab, there are farmers from Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, UP, Rajasthan, and all the states everywhere. And in that border also, farmers from Kerala have joined. 1,000 people from farmers from Kerala went there. So right from Tamil Nadu also. So this is an all India movement. Now this farmers organizations have given a call that from 23rd to 26th in every state capital, Mahapadav or a dharna should be held for these 3 days, raising their demands. So we have organized after this 23rd, that is the Jayanti of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Farmers started marching towards Mumbai, not only from Nasik. If farmers have come from Dhulia, that not district and all that, Vidarbha, Amravati and all that, they are from every district of Maharashtra. You can see they have assembled there from every district. So this and now the thing is, yesterday they came in thousands. Yesterday they stayed here. More farmers will join in the morning. Today, the workers of Mumbai in thousands, mainly Safai Kamgar, domestic workers, industrial workers, will join the farmers. Mahila organizations, Dalit organizations, student youth organization, and all these organizations will join this thing. The meeting is being held there. It will continue. And the various Kisan leaders, trade union leaders are addressing the meeting. The leaders, major leaders of Mahavikas Aghadi, Maharashtra government, have agreed to come here. Sharad Pawar will come here. It is a gathering. Then we met Uddhav Thackeray. He said that we are with the farmers. Aditya Thackeray will be coming here. From Congress side, their chief Balasaheb Thorat, he will be coming here. So these left parties are there. I am from the CPI. So this is the parties are supporting, and the message from Maharashtra will go that we are Maharashtra is with farmers. At 2 o'clock, the workers will come, and then will be a joint morcha. Will go to governor's place, and then give him a memorandum. But we are not going to. Our demand is simple, that you scrap all this. Some farmers are going to stay here, and a farmer, son of a farmer or farmer, he will raise the national flag in this ground, Azad Maidan, and then will go to different districts, and the movement will continue. On 26, in various districts of Maharashtra, tractor rallies are being held. So this is a movement, and mainly citizens are also joined, because this is pro Adani Ambani corporate sector bill. They will grab the land. There will be contract farming. Not only that, Adani is getting land in acres in Haryana. He bought land 22 acres with 27 lakhs only. So he will hoard the grains, and the Essential Commodities Act will be sabotaged. Then he will sell. So rationing this thing system will vanish. So this is the Punjab, Kisan. They started the movement. Then they everywhere from Tamil Nadu to Kashmir, people have joined. Maharashtra to Assam and Bengal, they are going there. So this is a national movement is there, and the demand is because the labor laws also, from 48 laws, they have made 4 laws only. So working class has joined, middle class has joined, citizens have joined. So this has become a national movement against the undemocratic fascist attitude, pro-corporate attitude of the policies of the Modi, Amit Shah, BJP, RSS government. So this is going to that demand scrapping this law. The Electricity Act also there. The State Electricity Board Federation workers have also joined this thing. So this is a mass movement, and we are not going to retreat and stop. And our demand is simple, that this law should be scrapped.
As you rightly said, this is a national movement. We have seen and it is anticipated that more than 1 lakh tractors will participate in the tractor rally. Today we are seeing thousands of farmers are here, but the Modi government still says that it is a small scale protest and it ignores the protest, and it has not also agreed to the demands of the farmers. 11 rounds have happened of the talks and all of them have failed. However, the government has said that it is ready to put a hold on farm laws for at least 1.5 years. Do you think that farmers should accept this demand?
That is a dirty tactics. First they said that the only Punjab farmers, as you said, the national movement is there. Then he said there are Khalistanis are involved, Pakistanis are involved, Chinese money is coming and all that. This is not a fact, because farmers have come there on 26 November. Now, martyrs are there, more than 70 people have died. Then he should be shameless in talking this. And he fire this in tear gas shells and all that. What in that cold this thing. Barbed wires were there. He wants to suppress that thing. And now he is a different tactics. He is using the Supreme Court. That first they said that we have stayed the thing, and they form a committee. The committee members are all pro-laws. One chap resigned. There is one person from Maharashtra also. He has written articles and carried out some sort of a signature campaign for the laws and all. So what sort of a committee is there? Now they have said that it will be stayed for 1.5 years or 2 years. But this is the tactics. So that he thinks that people will go. But we are here. We'll stay there. The farmers and all the persons participating in the movement, they know what are the laws. They have studied the thing. So this tactics will be useless against the determination of the farmers and the workers and everywhere.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. So, as you rightly heard, that this is one of the largest protests that is happening across India, and as Mr. Reddy rightly said, there are several. As Mr. Reddy rightly said, there are farmers' protests happening in several states of Maharashtra, especially in different capitals of the states. Farmers are arriving and they are protesting, especially on the occasion of Republic Day that is going to be held on 26th of January. There is a big tractor rally that is planned on 26th of January in Delhi, and after that we are seeing here that in different parts of India there are huge farmer protests happening to support the farmers in Delhi. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.